EQ700 Classic Milk Specialties. Easily prepare individual coffee specialties with milk at the touch of a button. With the cappucinatore milk adapter directly from every bottle or carton. Perfect for different types of milk. Enjoy your specialties, also with soy milk, almond milk, and oat milk. Your EQ700 starts an automatic cleaning process after every drink with milk. Cleaning the milk system manually ensures high quality and taste. It only takes a few steps. Slide the outlet system, including the milk adapter, all the way down. Press the button and pull the cover forwards. Take the parts apart. Clean everything with dishwashing detergent and rinse it with clear water. Most parts are dishwasher safe. They are marked with this sign. Put it back together and look forward to your next coffee specialty. Siemens Home Appliances.